Karen Reed was back in a courtroom today, but this time it was the Commonwealth's highest court. The SJC heard oral arguments in Reed's fight to have 2 of the 3 charges against her tossed out. Reed is accused of killing her Boston police officer boyfriend John O'Keefe in 2022. NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live with what happened today. And John, what's next?
Casey, there's nothing new about these arguments, but they could have an impact on the retrial scheduled for after the first of the year.
Is it really a mistrial? I mean, is there an error to declare a mistrial?
I would respectfully disagree.
Lots of questions from justices on the SJC about Karen Reed's high-profile murder trial.
So if we're trying to read tea leaves and figure out which way they go, I think, again, she's likely to be facing charges, all 3 charges, when she goes back to Superior Court in the spring.
The defendant and her attorneys are trying to get 2 charges dismissed, second-degree murder and leaving the scene of an accident. Her lawyers say retrying her on those counts would amount to double jeopardy.
There is a trustworthy, corroborated, and we contest uncontradicted showing that the prior jury reached a unanimous decision.
Reed's accused of killing her boyfriend John O'Keefe. Judge Beverly Cannoni declared a mistrial in July, after which a group of jurors contacted the defense, saying they'd found her not guilty of the charges in question. The judge rejected a defense motion to dismiss them outright or even poll the jury, prompting their appeal to the SJC. Prosecutors told the state's high court the trial judge acted properly.
The judge could reasonably conclude the jury is at an impasse. There is a manifest necessity for a mistrial. There is nothing more to be done here. John
O'Keefe's family left the courthouse without comment, while Karen Reed's father was asked about her recent admission that her legal bills total $5 million.
I don't have Robert Kraft money, but these are men and women that are alongside my daughter, not necessarily for the economic and financial return.
Now, no word on when the SJC will rule. Karen Reed's retrial is set for the end of January, but both sides have now asked for an extension. Well, I'm in Boston. John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.